Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this company, it is free to join. You create a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a box of goodies for free. They only ask that you review them once you receive them. You can also follow them on social media for a better chance of winning a box as well. So I will link all that below in the description box. And let's take a look. Got a beverage this month. I love when they send beverages. This one is limited edition Miami Strawberry. It's a caffeinated, sugar-free, carbonated beverage. Cool. I have not heard of this brand, so excited for that for sure. Cute little packaging too. Next up, ooh, a shampoo bar. I actually use those a lot and love them. This one is Tulsi Spice, and it's for all types of hair. I'm gonna open it and smell it. If you've never used a shampoo bar, the ones I've used in the past that I'm familiar with, they lather really well and work better, I think, than the bottle shampoo that you buy at the store. I love them. That one has a little stamping in it, very pretty. Yeah, that smells good. Super excited to try that out. And I got into that because I'm always trying to find ways to reuse, recycle, reduce waste, all that. And it takes away the plastic bottles and all that stuff. So very cool. There's also some information inside about it. Sulfate free, paraben free, earth friendly, all that good stuff. Cool. Off to a good start. Next we have Hydrolyte Electrolyte Powder. This is elderberry, which is supposed to be really good for you. And it has electrolytes, vitamin C, and zinc in it as well. And that is a dietary supplement, and there's 3 packets in here. You just mix it with 7 ounces of water. Next, always toast before you drink. These gummies, they kind of feel like gummies. For moderate drinking occasions. Yeah, you take 1 serving, which is 5 gummies, before your first drink. If you have a bigger night planned, you can take 10 gummies. That's pretty cool. And that has, what does it have in it? Milk thistle extract, matcha green tea. Kind of cool. Haven't heard of those before, so that's interesting. Also have a plant-based tomato jerky. I have never heard of that. Tomato jerky, Sriracha flavor. Wow, that sounds good. I'm actually gonna try one of those real quick. I want to show you what it looks like too. So it's literally a dried tomato that tastes like Sriracha. And it kind of does have like a jerky texture, a little softer though. But there's bigger chunks in there. That's cool. I love all types of vegetables, so I will definitely eat that. And we have GoodLight, paraben-free, lead-free, vegan birthday candles. That's cool. I do have the kid's birthday coming up too. So we have a nice variety, little rainbow colors there. Very cute. Yellow in there as well. That was kind of hiding back there. Happy birthday. Ooh, and an Eco Lips Hemp. Little lip gloss. And this is vanilla mint. And that is organic. And I think that was the last item. They always do include a paperclip with some more information about the brands. There's 20% off for the candles, 20% off for the electrolyte powder, some more information about the gummies, and an advertisement for Real Chemistry, which I have had some of their products in the past. So that's what I got in my box this month. Like I said in the description box below, I'll link their social media and where you can sign up and create a profile. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.